Welcome to Kanwal Media 205. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an advertisement flyer on Ms.word. First, you set the size of paper for flyer. Go to Page Layout. Here, you see different size of paper. Select the A4 size paper to design an advertisement flyer. You can design your flyer by zoom in or zoom out the page view. I am setting the page view. Now, design a flyer. First, go to Shapes, select one of them. I am selecting rectangle. Now draw this. Then, here you can see the option of Edit Shape. Click on Edit Points. Now cut the shape as you want to design. Remove the shape outline and change the color as you like. I am choosing this color to look appealing. Now, draw another shape. Mostly, right angle triangle is drawn on flyers, so draw right angle triangle here. Now, to insert the picture on this shape, click the right button of mouse, then go to Format Shape. Click on Picture Fill, then choose the picture from file in your computer. Now, to make a title banner, go to Shapes again, then select the shape for title. Here, I am selecting this one. Draw this on the top, and adjust it. Change or fill the color in this shape as you like. Then remove the shape outline, if you want. Then, draw the text box in this banner shape. In Format section, here you see the option of text box. Now, draw the text box inside this shape, and type the title. You can also choose the writing style from here. I am selecting this one and type the title. Now, increase the size of font, and change the color. Remove the text box outline, and click on No Fill the shape of text box. So, this is the banner for title. Now, I will add another shape, in which I will write sale. Now, I am inserting the text box in it. Then, I will write sale. Remove the text box outline. Now click on No Fill Shape Color, and adjust its font size. Now, to fill color in this space, go to Page Layout. Here you see, there is an option of page color. Click on it. Choose the color as you like. I choose this one. Now, I am going to write here, more description about advertisement. Insert a text box here, then write description. Now, adjust the font size, and select the writing style as you like. I am choosing this one. Move the shape outline, and click on No Fill Shape Color, in Shape Color option. So, this is the advertisement description. Now, I will insert some more images on this flyer, to look more appealing. And also I will write to insert an image, go to an insert option on the top, here you see, the option of picture, click on it. And select the picture from computer files, which one you already downloaded in computer. Use vector images in advertisement. Before insert images, remove the background of vector images, adjust the image on the flyer. Insert more images, here I am inserting another image. And adjust this image on the flyer. I am going to delete this image. First I am going to insert in another text box, where I will place this image. In the last, I am insert the text box, then insert image, write contact details and address of the shop. I am insert in another image, and cut the previous one. Then, remove the text box outline, then, adjust the size of this image and place it, where it looks suitable. Now, In the text box, fill the text box shape. I am writing here, contact details, and address. Then, adjust the font size, font color, and writing style. This is done. So, this is how we can design an advertisement flyer on Ms.word. Thank you for watching. In coming videos, you will learn more computer skills. Keep watching my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.